Hello and everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the Galaxy S10, the new flagship by Samsung. This is a brand new phone, although please note that this has already been opened by us for previous testings, and it's just a recall of how the unboxing of this looks like. This is a brand new phone which has been purchased from retail, not online. And just to look at the date of manufacturer, it has been made in March 2019. So skipping the part where we discuss the rest of the details on the box, we can quickly jump into the unboxing of the Galaxy S10. It has a pretty decent standard packaging as in the previous versions of the S10. As soon as you open the box, there is very little distractions. So this is the S-Pin ejector and the quick start guide. So I'll just come back to it later. Let's quickly dive into how the phone looks like. So this is the brand new Galaxy S10. As you can see, it's sleek, very thin to hold. The network bands are very neatly aligned. I can see secondary microphones, I can see speakers, USB Type-C connector, and a 3.5mm earphone jack. The network bands are also aligned accordingly. There's a power button on the right hand side, and volume button, and a Bixby button on the S10. So this Bixby button is one feature which Samsung is really trying to push hard on across all its flagship models, including the Note 9. And then I'll quickly jump on to starting it, although I'll also just quickly have a look at what else is in the box. So I'll just quietly keep the phone to this side right now. So in this box, I guess we have the ejector pin and the warranty card, the quick start guides, and the rest of the documents. We also have a case cover for the S10 which looks quite neat. It's a transparent cover for the black S10, and we'll be just using it later on. I'll just put the distractions aside and just look at what else is in the box. In the box we have a Samsung fast charging adapter. We also have the USB Type-C connectors. We have various earbuds for the earphones. I guess this is where the earphones are. I'll just quickly open it up. And these are the AKG earphones. These are quite premium earphones, and I would not be wrong to say that it's one of the best earphones which one could get in the mobile companies which offer earphones right now, because most of the high-end premier don't offer complimentary earphones. So yeah, Samsung takes a huge leap with these. These are high resolution audio, yeah. And we also have a OTG connector. So it's a USB to OTG connector if you want to connect on the go your pen drives or a second mobile hand device. You can quickly connect it through this. So placing these back, we'll now jump into how the phone looks like. I'll just keep these things to the side. I'll just put this to the side, and now let's have a look at how the S10 is. Okay, so here's the power button. Long press. S10 secured by Knox. So Knox is their military grade security system present in all their flagship phones. When the phone loads up, we can also acknowledge and appreciate the 3 cameras on the back of the S10. I'll just pull it out closer. So we have 1, 2, 3 cameras, a heart sensor, and a flash. All the 3 cameras have different functions. One is a telephoto lens and macro lens and all. So we saw how fast the phone boots up, and it's actually pretty impressive. The phone on the one on the hand is very light to hold, and it's very handy. It fits into my palm and I can quickly access. So Samsung has done a pretty good job of eliminating the bezels from this. You can see the bezels are neatly very thin on the phone, and you can quietly ignore those. Although you can still see the bezel on the lower side. There's a thin bezel, but yeah, it does not make much of a difference when you're working with the phone for long hours. And then we have the very peculiar camera, which is placed inside the screen. This is a very controversial move by Samsung, but which is being appreciated now by the global community. I mean, it does not interfere with the apps, one of the reasons for speculation which was, and it becomes part of your mobile experience as you walk around it, use it for longer periods of time. Okay, so we have the Android Pie on this phone from stock, and then quickly guiding through whatever we have here, we have a panel for the apps. So Samsung One UI being used, Android version 9, stock Android, and then quickly jumping on to the rest of the feature, we have Samsung Pay, we have Bixby and all. Looking through the camera, let's jump on to the camera because it's the most exciting part of this, and the colors are coming out very neatly, very nicely. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it or not, but it's very neat. We also have the scene optimizer, which has a preloaded, I guess there's a 24 set of scenes which it can detect. So currently it's showing me it was detecting a home scene. The camera, as a matter of fact, is very fast, and just to look at the colors are coming out to be very neatly. Although the layer at which it has taken focus seems to be defined by the most median one, so it has not taken into focus the nearest and the farthest, but it has taken a median thing, which I guess is pretty much normal for phones when you're taking it in auto mode and in a quick flash. The colors are coming out to be very neat, and I'm sure that outdoors it will perform even better. So we'll also be shortly doing a camera test of this Samsung S10, but for now the feel, the look, the weight, the handling is coming out pretty nicely, pretty neatly, and no complaints. Samsung has again did a fabulous job, and it seems like a price position to have in hand. And although a bit of the premium range, it might feel a bit expensive, but compared to the rest of the flagships from iPhone, it's still a pretty good deal. It comes with all the Samsung's advantages. It's all the Samsung apps, Google Samsung Pay, which in my case is a very beneficial thing. And yep, that's it for you guys. This is the new Samsung S10 unboxing. Let us know in the comments, how do you feel about the new phone? How do you feel about the video? And we'll be happy to hear. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.